Boys, 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 I'm looking for a good time. Boys, 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 get ready for my love. Boys, we're here. My new fridge has finally arrived. Finally, my new fridge is here. And let's take a look at it. This is amazing, boys. I'm gonna fill it up with all my drinks and I'm gonna order so many drinks today. This is really nice, boys. It's really nice, and that's really nice. No problem, boys. Wait for it. This is a great day, boys. Don't you worry. It's really good. My fridge is here, and I'm ready to show the fridge to the people in the chat and people watching this beautiful video. Boys, 1 second. We bought a new fridge. It's amazing. It's the best day of my life. Like, straight up, it's the best day of my life, boys. It really is, right? I mean, let's be real. This is the best day of my life. I mean, it is, okay? It's the best day of my life, and I'm here now, boys. I'm ready to show you what this stream is all about. I have to leave the chair because it's not going to be in this room. I decided it's not going to be in this room. It's going to be outside. I'll show you guys everything. So here we are, boys. We are ready for it. The new fridge. Just bought it, and I'm going to buy a freezer as well. Okay, nice. Here it is, boys. Yeah, and I can stream freely. Hey, plugin. Okay, boys, listen. Now, look. Okay, here it is. There it is. Here it is, boys. New fridge. Here we go. Here we go, boys. The new fridge is here. It's pretty big. So here is the monster. And it's only a fridge. It's not a freezer. Over here we have our normal fridge. There's a freezer there. And yes, whatever. Right? It's pretty big. Nice. I need to be careful what I show. I cannot show everything. So here's the fridge, boys. And I didn't even see the people the people came with it. Oh, now my mom is coming. Okay, so that's really bad. Oh, hi. About that timing, I'm doing video. That's really bad. I don't think you. Maybe if you can go in this room, I can continue the video. I think that'll be fine. Also, don't wake her up yet because she's still sleeping, right? Oh. Hi, my kitty. Okay. Oh, okay. Close the door now. We're doing a video. Bye bye. Why my daughter so cute? Okay? Goodie. Okay. That's a little bit bad timing, but okay. Boys, let's go back to the fridge. Here it is. And we just make this a short video. Then we will continue when my mom leaves. Okay. Boys, the big fridge, we're going to try put it in place. We're going to try open it a little bit, you know. We'll see what happens. Shit. Okay. So, first of all, we need to remove these ones so we can actually open it. So we can actually open it. If I can do that. No, it's not going into my room. It's not. It's not. I've never bought a fridge before, actually. Never. Nice. Let's move. We're gonna move all these. Let's just put them over there. Hello. Nice. Okay. Span this guy. Good shit. I'll ban him until he gets tired. There you go. Is there more of these things? Damn, they protected too well, dude. Who cares? Fuck. Gucci. And here we go. Fuck. Shit. Can I get this out? Okay. Nice. Open. Oh no, I need to do it on the other side as well. Fuck. I fucked up, dude. It smells so new inside. Holy shit. Okay, close. Oh, it smells like garbage. It smells real bad. Okay. More of this. Who cares? Okay. Shit. Only drinks. Only drinks. This is our robot. What's it called? I forgot what it's called. Cleaning robot. Okay, I think we can open now. Yes? No? There it is. This is the monster, boys. There was so many things to choose from, but I took this one. So we're gonna fill up with drinks in here, you know, I don't know, here, so many drinks here and here, 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 and maybe here. And then I think these two down here, this is for fifth. I think this is for my girlfriend. Then she can put whatever she want in there, right? I think she can put whatever she want in there. I'm gonna remove all this. This is a removal video. Yeah, I mean you can come, no problem. You can come as long as you don't walk in the camera. Yeah, but you just don't talk, especially not Danish. Just don't talk. You can do whatever you want, just if you don't talk. Okay. Nice. We're gonna remove everything. It's gonna take a while. Just ban this guy's sap. Just give him 10 days or something like that. He's negative. Just get him out of my face. Just ban him. Perm ban is also fine. Just perm ban him. Okay, I'll do it. Who cares? Nice. So many things to remove in here. Damn, dude. So what is this called? What do I call this video? Unpacking my fridge. It smells kind of bad. This is more work than I thought. Look at all these things already. Holy fuck. Okay, just permit him, dude. It's okay. He'll get tired eventually. Okay, nice. You cannot do it. You cannot do it. No Danish. Okay. So many things. Oh, baby. No Danish, please. Don't talk Danish, just don't talk. If you need me to do something, you can say in English. I can help you. It's okay. What do you need? You still speaking Danish? My mom is speaking Danish. I don't know, boys. She don't understand. I don't understand Danish. There's so many of these forkers. Nice. So, there's one more here. Look now, look at this mess. Holy shit, look at this mess. Okay, we're gonna take those down later. Here, there's one more. Stuck in my hand. Nice. Let me look over here. Is that working? Okay. So this is Ustream. This is Ustream here. This is you. Good, it's working. Girl. We have more. We have so many of these things. You have no idea, dude. Just gonna remove them all because I want to plug it in as soon as possible. Whoops. I wanna plug it in as soon as possible. Oh, this is for some eggs or something. I don't know. Or maybe like ice cubes. Looks like ice cubes. Let's see if I can put this one back. Look, one second. Is it shot? Really? Okay, wait. I'm putting it inside. You are now inside the fridge. And you are now inside the fridge. That's nice. So just quick inside the fridge. We want to do some fridge streams, 24-hour fridge streams. 24-hour fridge streams. Holy shit, dude. That's amazing. Okay. Am I ready? Wherever. Am I ready to do it now? So this is how it looks again. Look at this. It's a big boy, just like me. And then you this. I was thinking I was using a lot of time on how should this feel. How should it feel? You know, like this. You know, how is this grab in Danish? Håndtag? I don't know what's called. Okay, just band this. Just band this. So this is how I don't know what it's called. Handle, whatever it's called. It needs to feel good. Okay, so is there anything I need to do down here before we can get ready? I don't think so. I think we're okay. Oh, here one more. Here. Damn, I have so much space. Is it a handlebar? With more iron. Okay. Asked. There's so much space. There's so much space in this. You have no idea. Okay, nice. I don't know what to do right now, so I'm just gonna put the stream like this. Okay. Let's see. Okay. All this I can move. I can move. Okay. Good. More of this. Using a lot of power, boys. Okay, actually too much. Oh, I got a headache. Babea, 1 second. I'm gonna help my baby. Hi, Babea. Oh, so cute. Hi, kitty. No, you need to go to your room. When you're done, you need to go into this room. Yeah, but you just I don't know, but I'll let you know. Just go wait in the room, okay? Good there? Is that fine? Something you need from this room? I don't think so, right? I know, that's fine. Okay. I don't know what to put. I don't know what to put the stream boards. To be honest, I really don't know where to put it. But we'll see. Here I go again. It's time for me. Okay. I need a scissor. I need a scissor. Oh, it's hard because I cannot show so much. I cannot show everything. You know, I need to be careful. Don't shoot this. Don't shoot that. Blah blah blah. You know, it's really hard. Where is shit? Where is my? I need the scissor. Where's my scissor? Don't we have a scissor in this home? Yeah, I think we do, but I think it's in the other room. Maybe. Oh, there it is. There it is. Nice. Okay. Let's. Yeah, I'm just gonna do this. I'm just gonna cut it with my insane powers, boys. I'm a scissor master. Bye bye, bitch. Okay. Okay, just remove that boy. I mean, that's one guy's parents said nice. Good job, boys. Yeah. I'm a god with a scissor. I'm a god. Fuck. Oh yeah. Shit. Oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Okay. I want to put the fridge in place, but I'm alone doing this. So I don't know. I don't know, boys. Shit. Okay. I think this is okay. Okay. So this is how it is. This one we can keep on. So it's a little bit heavy, and I'm alone here. No one can help me. My dad is not here today, so. Oh fuck! I don't know what to do. Knee. Oh yeah, knee. Oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah. Okay. I'm gonna remove some more of this plastic. I need to get out of the. Okay. Kind of that guy. I need to. I want to put it out of this plastic here. I don't think it's that heavy, but I don't want the fridge to be on my feet, right? So I think I can do it alone. I just need to tilt a little bit. There you go. Shit. You need to. Yes. Fuck. Imagine this drop to the ground. The content, boys. Crazy Danish man drops a fridge on the ground and breaks his feet. Okay, nice. Gucci. I'm genius, to be honest, boys and girls. I'm genius. Let's be real here. I'm a fucking god. Who am I? So here's my baby. I think this is the best day of my life. Okay. I think it's gonna destroy the floor, but who cares? I mean, who cares if the floor is broken? Who cares? I mean, it's a little bit tilted, isn't it? Did I do something wrong? Does it need to be like this? Is it broken or something? I don't know. Who cares? Okay, but I can see the floor is clearly not happy. But there's something wrong here. Does anyone know if this is normal for a fridge to be a little bit like boom, boom, boom like this? Maybe it needs to be stuck in the ground or something like this. I don't know. We'll figure out. I'm gonna put it where it should be. I need to be careful here. It goes too far. Don't do it. Okay, here. I mean, it should be like, it should be like this, but it's like this. You know? I'm gonna open it up. Okay, there's something inside here. Okay, fuck. Yes. Oh, fuck, wait, boys. I got it. Okay, one more. Yes. Right there. Oh, my shoulder. Boy next door. Okay. Oh, my shoulder. So, I destroyed the floor a bit, but who cares? Okay. So I don't know what I'm gonna do. Because there was something in the down part here, some manual or whatever. So yeah, I think I need some help because it's a little bit tilted. I don't know why it's tilted. I don't know. I think it should be like this. A little bit up. But okay, I don't know. Maybe there's some shit that I don't know about. One last check here, and else I'm gonna wait for my dad to help me, right? That's my dad gonna help me. Or I think this is something that needs to be in the ground. Maybe need some wheels or some shit. So I think that's it for now, boys. I think that's it. This is adjust, so it's not tipping really. Okay, yeah, but I cannot do that on stream. I'll do that off stream, right? We can do it on stream, but at the moment my mom needs some space for the baby. So one last check, boys. One last check. One last look at it. Here it is. So it's pretty big. It's pretty big. Look at the fridge, man. Holy fuck. And we're gonna have a freezer next to it. and they're gonna be over here, right? They're gonna be over here. Here we have the closet, and this closet is gonna say bye bye, and one fridge there, and the other one here, right? So the freezer here, and the fridge here, or freezer here, and then huge, right? This closet is pretty huge. So that's the plan, and you have a lot of space, boys. It's huge. And look at this. This handle is insane, dude. I mean, look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Oh yeah. Yeah, just like that. Yes. It's amazing, dude. It feels great. Oh yeah. Oh. Open me. Yeah. Open me, baby. Open me. Yes. Boy next door. Oh, my shoulder. Fuck. I'm fucking okay. Nice. So this is really nice, and there's a lot of space. Oops. There's a lot of space inside. Look at all the space. I mean, up here we're gonna have the champagne, right? Champagne up here, the water, the cock EOs. You understand the joke? Cock EOs. Sparkling water, whatever. And I think down here we can have like Fefe's special. I mean, Fefe's yogurt and milk storage, so she can always have insane huge, right? So when you guys donate to me, we're gonna fill up this baby. We're gonna make a video where we fill up everything. Tomorrow, in a few days, we're gonna make a video where it will be full. And I mean, fill it up, fill me up, baby. Gatchigasm, fill me up, baby. And this is gonna be so nice, boys and girls. Wow. It's the best day of my life. We're gonna fill it up, Gatchigasm. On my shoulder, boy next door. Boys, so much, and also here we have space for, I don't know, whatever, who cares, you know, huge. Wow. Just gonna fill it up. Yeah, I mean, just buy like 20 liter milk and just put them down here and just fucking make milkshakes every day. So boys, that's how it looks. This is how it is. Amazing, boys. It's huge as fuck. Just like some other things that we cannot say on stream. Boys, this is the first sneak peek of my new fridge, and I love it. It's huge. It's I think it's as tall as me. Yeah, it is. It's as tall as me. But it's almost 190. It's only a fridge, no freezer in it whatsoever. Here you can see how big it actually is. Boys, the best day of my life. Press 1 in the chat if I should actually eat all these jalapenos. I'm gonna eat all these jalapenos for $100. $100, I'm gonna eat 200 gram jalapenos directly. $100, then we can open some packs. $100, boys. Donate to me now. I'm gonna eat it right now. Okay. GG's. Boys, the fridge is here, and I will I don't know what I'm gonna do now. Probably take a break, but I'll be back soon. The best day of my life, and tomorrow in a few days we're gonna fill it up, baby. We're gonna fill it up, boys. Best day of my life. Boo, bee, booby, boo, boo, bee, bee.